Still getting busted by beeps and cops? The Escort MAX 4 filters the BS. Not your freedom. You're out there just trying to vibe on the open road, windows down, playlist blasting, maybe even feeling like a rebel. Then beep beep, another false radar alert from that junkie detector you trusted with your wallet and your license. You're fed up. You're annoyed. It's messing with your focus, your drive, your peace. And if it's not a bogus speed trap chirp, it's the real one you missed. Either way, your dashboard tech is failing you like a group project teammate who didn't show. Driving should be freedom, not a game of guess that alert every 5 miles. Now crank that chaos up to high gear. You're dodging potholes and deadlines, late for work or brunch, dodging imaginary cops thanks to bogus alerts. Your radar detector is basically a siren screaming wolf on every Taco Bell. Your brain's fried, your knuckles are white, and you've officially become paranoid. Burnout isn't just for your brakes, it's your entire mental state. Every chime is another hit to your focus. Every false alarm is a micro heart attack. And don't even mention the real ones you missed cause your detector was busy arguing with a garage door sensor. Ain't nobody got time for that. Enter the Escort MAX 4 radar detector, your road trip whisperer, ticket saver, and peace of mind machine. Powered by dual-core processing and 2x advanced filtering accuracy, it shreds false alerts and gives real threats your full attention. AutoLearn AI literally learns your route, ditching déjà vu distractions. With GPS, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, you get smarter warnings, mapped alerts, and buttery-smooth control. And yeah, it's got that legendary Escort range. Add in Drive Smarter app integration and a massive driver alert network, and boom, you've just leveled up from hoping to not get caught to I see you before you see me. Get ready for quiet rides and loud winds. The MAX 4 is built for people who hate clutter, crave control, and want next-level driving awareness without all the noise. It syncs to your phone, displays alerts on your car screen, and lets you customize settings like a boss. Built-in GPS means fewer false alarms in your area. With its low-noise amplifier tech, you'll spot real threats sooner and dodge danger before it even becomes a problem. Want to go full James Bond? Pair it with the Escort M2 dash cam or laser shifters. This isn't just a detector, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Let's be real, you've wasted enough time with cheap chirpers and secondhand regrets. If you're serious about driving smarter, faster, and freer, then the Escort MAX 4 is your ride or die. Engineered in the USA, trusted by speed demons and road warriors for over 50 years. No more guessing. No more drama. Just smooth, stress-free drives and radar-slaying confidence. Don't wait for another ticket to push you over the edge. Hit that add to cart like it owes you gas money. Freedom's calling. So is that radar trap. Get the MAX 4 and ghost 'em both.